Hi, everyone. So, when you're preparing to launch your sales campaign, I would definitely network on LinkedIn beforehand and think about Facebook ads, Google ads, even things on YouTube, and keep data on how everything works for you so you can continue what's working really well. Your launch campaign should build anticipation and generate excitement in potential customers. So you want to do that. Also, you need to identify your target audience. Are they young people? Are they retirees? Are they golfers? What are they? What segment of the population are they? You want to set up effective sales funnels and conversion strategies. So in the awareness stage, you want to make your customers aware of this coming product. So you might want to do that on YouTube, Facebook, and other places, Twitter, Instagram. And again, I would advertise about what's coming, create the excitement. So at the conversion stage, you want them to turn into customers. So how are you going to do that? You need to think about that, how to turn them into customers. You may want to experiment with different conversion strategies, A or B, and see how they work, and then choose the best one. Make sure that your sales funnel has clear calls to action so you can make the sale. So be flexible with your campaign and be ready to change. Listen to comments made by customers, and then you may want to change your sales funnel strategy. So be proactive, have a problem-solving mindset, and quickly change things up if it's not working. Strategies for scaling while maintaining quality. See what parts of your operations can be scaled up without reducing your quality. Try to improve your process to improve operations, again, without compromising quality if possible. As you scale, you need to ensure that your product maintains the consistent quality across all branches or all products. And make sure you're listening to customers to ensure that the quality is consistent. Create a customer loop to hear from them.